Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Subaru Forester key fob. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit to avoid losing any tiny components. This entire process is quite straightforward and should only take you a few minutes to complete, getting your key fob back in working order quickly. Now, carefully examine your key fob to find the small notch or seam usually located on one of its sides. This is the designated spot for opening. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, you can carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Gently remove it from its compartment, paying close attention to its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct installation of the new battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing in the same direction as the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the halves are securely fastened. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking, to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.